I'm Roger Delgado, and I've been asked to be the director of surgery for the new hospital. And well, basically, I'm a surgeon, and I've been in Sebastopol for 37 years. It's my home, obviously, and I've been on the staff at Palm Drive Hospital for over 30 years. I remember some of the cases that were especially important for the patient that Palm Drive was here. A little boy was playing in his family's cabin up on the river, and he went through a plate glass window and he severed the artery to his lower leg. Within an hour or so, he may very well have permanent damage and lost his lower leg if we hadn't been here to operate on his artery. Another boy was playing on a rope swing onto the river one day, and he kind of got scared when he was over the water, so he hung onto the rope, only to come back to shore and impale himself with a tree branch. And he came to this very room, in the emergency room at Palm Drive. I remember a young man who perhaps had been partying a little bit too much up at the river, and about 2 o'clock in the morning, he drove into a redwood tree. And he had a ruptured spleen, but he also severed, or he tore his thoracic aorta. And we didn't have time to evacuate him anywhere else, and he walked out of Palm Drive a week later. I feel that there is a real need for the hospital, for the emergency room, and for emergency surgical care. We're here for all of West County, and when I moved here, it was clear that all of the people in West County came to Palm Drive Hospital, and in fact, it was mentioned that they didn't want to go to Santa Rosa. It was a different time, and insurance was different in those days, but clearly everybody in West County came here. In fact, we had all of the patients from the river area. We had all the patients from the Gualala clinic. There used to be a bus that would come from Gualala down to Bodega and then come here to Sebastopol, and one of its first stops was Palm Drive Hospital. Personally, I've been a patient here, and in fact, I was a patient at the hospital last April, right before it closed down. I've had several operations as a patient at this hospital. Certainly in my experience, Palm Drive has always played a vital role for all of the people in the river area.